Hello dudes. The white-headed gull here. It's got its eye in. Black-headed gull. Sorry, talking to the wrong. Hello, 4 of you. And 1 black-headed gull. Oh, he's there, lads. You're going to have to outcompete him. Four guys. Oh no, you're losing it, guys. Come on. Being out-competed by a seagull. He's on your turf, for goodness sake. Look at that. Hello. I think seagull beat you there, didn't he? Go on, good look round, you might find something. So I think these guys come as far as this tree, and then the other tree is someone else's territory. So these guys are pretty much on the edge of their turf, I think. If these are the guys that live over there, because there's some guys that live up in this tree up here. I've seen them kind of bicker. Oh, there's the girl. Did well there.